We have a product that is artificial, and we're going to hang it up by the basket right over there behind me over here. And what is it? It's plants, so it could decorate. You know, some plant baskets, they may not do well in the area that you do, and you need to decorate with artificial, and it'll make everything look pretty. So here we have is a number of stems. We have about a couple of them, and they are a little separated, and you can stick them in the ground and do whatever you want with them. Spread them out. They got little metal wires that they will have memory and hold. So let's go decorate a basket and see how well it looks inside one. We have 12 stems. This is the basket. So what we're going to do is we're going to just come over here, stick them in, and then we're going to start to spread them out so it gives a look. We look at the basket, it's nice and filled. You're going to have to decide how many you need to fill the basket or an area that you need to decorate. I hope this is a product that you are looking for to decorate your landscape inside by a window, anywhere that you have a pot that you want to put these things in. It'll decorate real nice and neat. They don't smell, they don't attract bugs, but they make everything look beautiful. Enjoy your product if this is right and what you are looking for.